Soursop Graviola Liquid Drops Review. Is it legit or a scam? So Soursop Graviola Liquid Drops are sold as a natural wellness elixir, promising to support immune health, digestion, energy, and even cell generations. So many products combine Soursop with other herbal extracts and vitamins, touting organic and antioxidant-rich qualities. The drops are convenient and often praised for their taste and ease of use. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it has convenient delivery and a pleasant taste. It also has a user satisfaction on the taste and the form. It's easier than pills and enjoy incorporating it into daily routines. It also has a positive anecdotal feedback, which means some report improved digestion, energy, and overall well-being. And it has a perceived organic and herbal appeal, so many appreciate that it's plant-based and aligns with the dietary preferences. Now let's talk about the cons. For the cons, there are no clinical evidence of K-healed claims. So according to lab studies suggest that soursop may kill cancer cells in dishes, but there are no human trials confirming the safety of it. There are also some potential serious health risks, and some misinformation also has some concerns because some sellers use misleading claims, and they have a quality transparency which may be varied and there are inconsistent user experiences. But overall, there doesn't appear to be one definitive brand site for the product itself. So it is easy to use and well liked for flavor and convenience, but their most sensational health claims, especially around cancer or dramatic health benefits, are scientifically unsupported and potentially dangerous if used long term. So the risks include neurotoxicity, liver, kidney, and damage, and harmful interactions.